What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see right here, I have these distressed locks, boho locks. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so right here I am finishing up my parts. I decided to do the half circle parts. At first I wanted to do the box or the bricklayer parts, but I couldn't get the parts straight, and I'm very OCD-ish when it comes to that. So I did the half circles and it came out way better until I got to the top. I wanted a middle part for whatever reason. So next time I know that to just do half circles all around. This is my second attempt doing this style. I did do it before and the length was a little bit shorter before. So if you haven't seen that video, it is the last video I posted, so please go back and check that out. I do believe that this video is better than the last one, simply because the locks just look more better and I know what I'm doing. So when I do these again, it'll look better than these will look, because I'm learning from my mistakes. So we're taking baby steps. All the products that I used in this video, I will link it in the description box below. So yeah, so I'm just finishing up my braids. By this time I was really tired. It was like 12 o'clock at night. I don't know why I wait so late to do my hair, but yeah. Alright, so I am done with the half circle parts. As you can see, they are all half circles all around, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. Being that I did this all on my own, it was tough, but I did it. So as you can see right here, I am taking my thumb and I am sliding it through the hair just to give it some texture and to fluff it out. I am going to use 2 strands of the FreeTress water wave hair in the color 1B, and I used 22 inches just so I can have that room to really complete this style how I want to without adding any extra hair. The brown hair that you see is actually a different brand. It is the LuluTress, I believe it's called LuluTress. I will link it in the description box below. That hair is actually softer than the FreeTress water wave, but the FreeTress water wave hair is like silky. It gives you that shine that you're looking for. I do like the LuluTress. It's just different, slightly different to work with. Like I said, it's extremely soft and it's not as tangly as the FreeTress. I think that's why I like it a little bit more. But yeah, it works the same. It really does work the same. So it's your preference. I do like it and I will be using it again. And as you can see, I am folding my ends. All you got to do when you get to the end, at the length that you prefer or it is desired, you just flip it over and you just keep wrapping back up. But you want to wrap it tight at the end so it won't unravel. And then as you're wrapping back up, you can wrap a little bit loosely. And I will show you later on in the video. Alright, so right here I am going to zoom in and I'm going to show you how I slide the crochet hook through and I attach the weave and I pull it through. And you want to make sure that you crochet your real hair together with your real hair, like I'm doing here, if that makes sense. You want to make sure you protect your own hair at all costs, because this is supposed to be a protective style. So if you use glue or if you use a lighter to seal the ends or however you do it, you want to make sure that your own hair or your client's hair is protected at all times. And also at the top, when you are wrapping, you want to make sure that you wrap tightly 2 to 4 times just to make sure that it is secure and it won't unravel. To get the butterfly look, I just kind of be messy with it. The thumb method, like I said in my last video, doesn't really work for me on myself. I have done it on someone else and I can achieve it that way, but doing it on myself, it doesn't work for whatever reason. So I just kind of be messy with it. And then they're boho locks. They're distressed locks, so they're going to be messy anyway, and it's going to give you that butterfly look anyway, and some pieces are going to be sticking out, so it'll be all good. You'll get that butterfly look even if you don't do the thumb method. And please excuse my facial expressions. I need to work on that. My resty face is terrible. Like, I was in a good mood in this video. Like, I was happy, but it doesn't look like I was happy. It looked like I was torn and worn out and tired. I was tired, but I wasn't sad or mad. That's just my resting face. So I really need to work on that. All right, here we are at the last braid or the last lock. This took so long. This style usually takes 5 to 6 hours, but this took me, like, I don't even want to say. It definitely took me a long time because I was doing it in between work. So it takes a minute when you're doing it on yourself. And this is the finished product. This is the back. This is how it came out. I love it. I think this is better than the last video that I did simply because I learned from what I didn't do. And I added some jewelry in to give it a pop. And then I'm going to take my mousse right here and I'm going to add it in. It's the Vigorol mousse with the olive oil in it. And it feels amazing once you get your hair done, whether it's braids or locks, whatever kind of protective style that you got going on, it feels amazing. So some people prefer not to use it on their locks after they get it done because they want to keep that messy look, but I just use it for the shine and to lay down like the top pieces at the top. Alright you guys, so I am going to add some edge control to my baby hairs. This is the edge control that I use. I don't know how to say the name, so it's in the purple container. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. And I do lay out my baby hairs before I add the edge control, because it could be a little challenge once you add the product, and yeah, it's just my preference. But as you can see, I did add some shells to my locks. I was going to do it on camera, but it was a challenge. So I did end up using the rubber band method for the shells. So I think it added a little flavor to the locks, and I think they are super cute. So yeah guys, this is the finished product. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please let me know in the description box below and let me know what you think. I will be doing a giveaway at 250 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video.